Hi, what's up guys? If you invest $100 a month in Exxon Mobil stocks today, you will have $27,638 in 10 years. And, what happened if you invest $500 a month in Exxon Mobil? How much you will have in 10 years? Watch until the end to find out and see the breakdown, year by year. Before we start, please click the like button, it's help with the YouTube algorithm, and don't be afraid to comment, and please subscribe. Thank you so much. And don't forget to claim your free stocks, with Webull and Robinhood. Okay, what is Exxon Mobil? Exxon Mobil engages in the exploration, development, and distribution of oil, gas, and petroleum products. Bulls say Exxon will see its portfolio mix shift to liquids pricing as gas volumes decline and new oil and liquefied natural gas projects start production. Cash margins should improve as a result. Exxon stands out from peers that are focused on cash returns to shareholders by increasing investment after a delay with the aim of increasing earnings and cash flow from oil and gas. With coordination between upstream and downstream operations, integrated refining and chemical facilities, Exxon attains a high level of integration that creates value, as opposed to simply owning the assets, as peers do. Bears say investors must wait for Exxon's increased investment to pay off, while knowing integrated oils have historically struggled to deliver on long-dated growth targets. Returns are unlikely to ever reach historical levels without higher commodity prices, potentially resulting in compression of Exxon's premium multiple. Dividend growth will likely slow or cease in the near term as a deterioration in commodity prices and margins and elevated spending pressures free cash flow. Analyst ratings: Buy, 15%. Hold, 69%. Sell, 15%. Let's see the chart of looking 1 month back. Get 4 free stocks. Valued up to $3,700. Open and fund a brokerage account with $100 or more and you will have a chance of claiming stocks like Google, Facebook, Starbucks and more. Okay, the moment you all waited for. Turn investing of $100 into $27,638. Let's go. We starting with $100 as principal. Monthly contribution will be $100, which is $1,200 annually. Exxon Mobil have annual dividend yield of 7.43%, which is $3.48. Expected dividend increase every year by 6.1%. Expected share price increase every year by 6%. Okay, so after 10 years the principal will be worth $22,138. On the 10th year, the dividends we get from Exxon Mobil will be $2,971. The total amount of dividends we collected after 10 years, without doing anything, will be $9,763. So the new balance will be $27,638. Now let's make things spicy. We will change the monthly contribution to $500, which is $6,000 annually. After 10 years the principal will be worth $109,177. On the 10th year, the dividends we getting from Exxon Mobil will be $14,652. The total amount of dividends we collected after 10 years, without doing anything, will be $47,946. And the new balance will be $136,380. Wow, amazing. Okay, let's go crazy right now with monthly contribution of $800, which is $9,600 annually. After 10 years the principal will be worth $174,456. On the 10th year, the dividends we getting from Exxon Mobil will be $23,413. The total amount of dividends we collected after 10 years, without doing anything, you guys ready to this? The amount will be $76,583. And the new balance will be $217,937. Now, let's go extreme. Monthly contribution of $1,000, which is $12,000 annually. After 10 years the principal will be worth $217,976. On the 10th year, the dividends we getting from Exxon Mobil will be $29,254. It's some people annually salary. The total amount of dividends we collected after 10 years, without doing anything, I hope you guys seating right now. The amount will be $95,674. So, the new balance after 10 years will be $272,308. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. See you on the next video.